Alright, welcome back to Just Drive It. We're on what, day 4 I think it is. My videos are releasing one day late, I guess. Just haven't been able to get caught up. Been kind of late hours. We're sitting in Arkansas. I forget the name of the place. It's a little bit east of Walnut Ridge. It's where we had to come last night. Got in a little bit late because of the issues with the oil pressure and everything yesterday.
When we pulled up to the stoplight, oil pressure went to 0. I didn't like that at all.
But we're doing good. We're cruising along. Today's going to be our last day getting there. We'll get there sometime this afternoon, hopefully around 2. But we're going into Tennessee to go meet Leanna for the first time in person. Pick up our valve covers, pick up another intake for a friend of ours, and then head back up. We're going to go up through Kentucky and then jump back across the line into Missouri straight to Sikeston. So it should be a good fun trip today. Hopefully we can get some good clips coming through the other 2 states. Well, there are the other 3, I guess, is what it's going to end up being. But we're here this morning getting everything checked. Topped up the oil. I still need to check the transmission fluid. We changed to Petronics yesterday, so don't have to check the points. We added a little bit of water. We're running water, but we're also running water wetter in this thing because once we get to the track, I don't want to have to purge the system of regular coolant. And the water wetter with the regular distilled water is actually a lot cheaper than running glycol. So we get home, yeah, we're going to have to drain it, put some glycol in it, make sure that we don't freeze it or anything. But I think we're doing pretty good. We're having a fun time. So we'll see what this day brings. Just drive it. Well, we've made it to Tennessee. Headed over towards Dyersburg, however you say that. Neat little setup. Sun's coming just where I don't want it to, but it's still good. It's a welcome center. Got a vendor area. We're gonna use the restroom, get some leg stretching going on. First day we've been really able to stop and smell the roses, so we're gonna do so and then hit the road again. But we're gonna get some pictures with the family. Yeah, they got it set up pretty neat. It's actually a big cabin. Alright, we're over here at Phoenix Specialty Coatings in Greenfield, Tennessee. We came by to see Leanna and Billy. Get to see them, plus pick up our valve covers, which we just got a reveal on for her YouTube channel. Man, those things are awesome. I mean, the pictures don't do them justice at all. So we picked those up. We also picked up an intake for another friend of ours for A-bodies only. So now that we've got that done, we're just doing some last minute touches. Billy didn't like the way I had the fuel line routed, so he made me a bracket, which was awesome. And now we've got it all set up. just a matter of doing what we got to do. Over here at Phoenix Specialty Coatings, and this is Leanna Chick, yeah, and this is her. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Man, it's looking good. Nice color on that paint.
You got painted in 1999.
Wow, 99. That still looks like it.
See how often it comes out.
Very nice car. She's the one who does all the parts pouring as far as the powder coating pouring. It's beautiful.
My Alfenhauser is two-tone, black and orange. It's like Mopar hates just hideous colors, man. They put all the high-impact stuff and then orange, gloss, turquoise, and it doesn't match anything. But it's
That's where you come in.
It's eye-catching. Up with for next time.
For sure. Sitting here at the No Name Nationals, Daddy's Money Garage. There's Slaghammer, Jack Pine Savage. There's Andy. All kinds of people all getting ready. Here we go.